And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, just a couple degrees cooler this morning, especially to the northeast. 64 Logansport, 68 Peru, 69 good morning to you in Delphi, 71 here in Lafayette, our warm spot down in Covington, 73, and they hit the lower 90s yesterday. But the excessive heat warning is in place now for much of the central U.S. because today and tomorrow will be the two hottest days likely that we've seen this year. You can see the rain train, as I've mentioned all week long, still well to the north. There'll be some complexes that'll form in this region. We may get some of the cloud cover from those systems, but as far as rainfall goes, we're going to be clear today, tomorrow, Friday may be a different story, but just in overnight, the National Weather Service out of Chicago, northern Indiana, and Indianapolis offices have given way to the entire viewing area, the entire state, underneath an excessive heat warning for today. This goes until midnight Thursday night, so going to be a very hot couple of days here. Air temperatures are going to range from about 92, 93, potentially up to close to 100 degrees in some spots to the south and west. Heat index values area-wide easily up to about 105 to 112 plus in some locations. So just a very hot couple of days. Stay safe. Future feel-like temperatures this afternoon here, 6 o'clock. Notice all of us pretty much in the triple digits. I think some of these numbers really underdoing it at some points, especially going into tomorrow. I think we'll see some 110s, 112s in some locations, but everybody getting in on the extreme heat. Thankfully, we will see some relief in the forecast for Friday, but still feeling pretty muggy, especially where that cold front starts to sink a little bit southward and southward. That's where the warmer air is going to be on Friday. So today we'll get up to about 93 degrees, plenty of sun this afternoon, 109. It'll be still a little hazy out there in the sky due to the wildfire smoke, but tomorrow will be a much more bluer day in the sky with windier conditions, but it's going to be like a furnace blowing in your face with just that very strong wind out of the southwest. Temperatures 97 degrees and it feeling like 111 there at 97 degrees. So futurecast, again, we're clear today, we're clear tomorrow. There's some of the storms, some of the clouds that will be giving us here for Thursday and for Friday, but here comes the front, maybe some storms Friday afternoon, evening, and then maybe a wave late Friday into Saturday morning, but this looks like more of a mesoscale or a smaller system. Kind of hard to track these systems a few days out, but certainly could see an active forecast coming in for Friday and Saturday, so stay tuned to the radar. We'll keep you updated since it's only the middle of the week. But Saturday, Sunday, beautiful days ahead of us. Temperatures looking fantastic here for the weekend compared to what we're going to be seeing today and tomorrow. So just stay safe, plenty of fluids, take plenty of breaks outside. 90 on Friday with some scattered storms, possibly going into Saturday morning. But look at those temperatures there on Saturday, Sunday, high of 78 on Sunday. But it looks dry as we get toward next week. Temperatures look like to stay in the mid to upper 80s as we get toward Thursday, Friday of next week, Joe.
All right. Well, if it's hotter than it was yesterday, I don't even know what it's going to feel like today and tomorrow. I was doing some work around the house yesterday, just absolutely got drenched, so it wasn't fun.
And you know, to be honest, today and especially tomorrow, it'll be best to stay in the AC if definitely just going to be hot.
Yeah.
You know, downright hot and humid, and whenever you sweat, the humidity, it won't let that sweat evaporate and cool you off. So that's why this is going to be such dangerous heat here for today and tomorrow.
Okay, well, we'll have a lot more advice on how you can handle that coming up in our show, so stick around for that. Thanks, David.